In the 73rd question, we are asked about Kaveri Basin and protected areas located in Kaveri Basin. So we need to find out which of the following protected areas are in Kaveri Basin, and these are the protected areas: Nagarhole National Park, Papikonda National Park, Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve, and Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary. And these are the options. First, we need to know is what is Kaveri Basin. Kaveri Basin is the area which is the extent of Kaveri River and the tributaries and distributaries of Kaveri rivers. So not only the area which is covered by Kaveri, but also the area. Suppose these are the tributaries of Kaveri. So the extent, geographical extent, Kaveri and its tributary and distributaries are covering is the Kaveri Basin. Okay, मोटे मोटे टाइम पे मोटे मोटे फॉर्म में इसको यही बोला जा सकता है. इट इज नॉट वेरी टेक्निकल, बट समझने के लिए आई एम सेइंग दिस. तो ये पूछते रहे कि कावेरी बेसिन के अंदर कौन कौन सा, ना कि कावेरी रिवर के आसपास, कावेरी पूरे बेसिन के अंदर कौन कौन से इनमें से एरिया आते हैं. एंड दीज आर द रीजन. दिस इज आर डेक्कन और पेनिनसुलर एरिया. और जैसा कि हम लोगों को पता है, ये है हमारा so this is in the peninsular area. This is Western Ghat and this is Eastern Ghat, as we know of it. And the place, geographical area where Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat meet is Nilgiri Hills. These are Nilgiri Hills. And from Nilgiri Hills to down south, Western Ghat extends to Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So this is the area. Now, if we zoom out this area, we will find out the Kaveri Basin cover whole of the Nilgiris. So Kaveri Basin, यहाँ से यहाँ तक, ये आपका Kaveri Basin का extent है. So the question is directly asking कि Kaveri Basin में कौन कौन से protected area हैं. But if you visualize the Kaveri Basin in your mind, then you will came to know that question is not about Kaveri Basin, but the question is about Nilgiri. And three statements, three places: Nagarhole, Satyamangalam, and Wayanad. All three of them are part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. And only Papikonda is outside Nilgiri. And in fact, it is in Andhra Pradesh on the banks of Godavari, or it can be said that Papikonda falls under Godavari Basin. So this is consecutively second year in which a question is asked with respect to Nilgiri. पिछले साल भी नीलगिरी बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व में ये पूछ लिया गया था कि कौन कौन से एरियाज आते हैं, कौन कौन से प्रोटेक्टेड एरियाज आते हैं. दिस टाइम द क्वेश्चन इज नॉट डायरेक्टली अबाउट नीलगिरी बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व. द क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड अबाउट कावेरी बेसिन, बट कावेरी बेसिन कवर्स ऑल ऑफ द नीलगिरी बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व. So again, question is asked directly about Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, and it is very important biosphere reserve, and we need to know all the protected areas which come under Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. And on the basis of that, जिसने भी पिछले साल का क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व किया होगा उसको पता होगा कि नागरहोल नेशनल पार्क, सत्यमंगलम टाइगर रिजर्व एंड वायनाड वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी नीलगिरी का पार्ट है. तो 1, 3 and 4 is the correct answer. Okay, this is Papikonda on the banks of Godavari. Here is Papikonda and here we have the Nilgiri, or we can say this is our Kaveri Basin area. So there is a big difference between Papikonda and Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. So let's see the answer here. Answer is given here. Option C is the correct answer, and explanation is mentioned here. As I just said, that all three national parks which are mentioned as a part of Kaveri Basin are the part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve also, and this is the second consecutive year in which Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve is asked in prelims. Also in 2019 December, forest officials started butterfly census in Papikonda National Park. So Papikonda National Park was again in news for this reason as well. And it comes in Godavari Delta. So on the basis of that, please go through the map works. Do not take map work very lightly. और कम से कम बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व के बारे में तो हम लोगों को कम से कम एटलीस्ट वी शुड नो अबाउट बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व्स. So this was the question, map based question. Let's see the next one.